If you are facing any problem in iPhone clips, mainly when you import iPhone clips into the Premiere Pro, it will usually overexpose. To correct that, go to clips, select right click and go to modify. Here you can see color, and in the color use media color space. Here it is rec 70, but in iPhone it will be some other color code. Click OK, then click the clip and go to sequence. Here you can see sequence setting, go to color management, and here you can see output color space. Go to that and match that use color space code here. So now if I press this, the color will change, and if I go back and select this, it will be same as before. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next one.